In a society, women have certainly progressed, but still there is a long way to go. Even now, women are constantly scrutinized for various reasons and are expected to juggle between multiple roles. We believe that women, like men, are individuals who deserve the right to establish their own identity and the right granted by the Constitution. Yet, despite the struggle persists, and the journey for the women to step beyond the threshold of their homes and enter politics is even longer and more challenging.
हमारे समाज में जो अधिकार पुरुषों को दिया जाता है वो महिलाओं को नहीं दिया जाता है, चाहे वो समाज से हो, चाहे राजनीतिक से हो, चाहे वो जो है कि किसी भी पद को लेकर के हो।
Shakti Abhiyan is a movement that aims to create a pipeline of grassroots women to enter into politics. Because half of the nation's population deserve their rightful share in every sector, every opportunity and every budget allocation. Under Shakti Abhiyan, we aim to create a space for women where they can come together, meet, speak openly and discuss their rights. And we are making this possible through Shakti Sangathan or Shakti Club, which form the fundamental unit of Shakti Abhiyan. In these clubs, women come together, sing, express themselves, and strategize to fight for their rights. At the beginning of these meetings, women put up their Shakti Club banners. Following this, they place a book-shaped symbol of Shakti Abhiyan crafted around the preamble of Constitution on a chair or on a cloth spread on the ground. The symbols serve as a constant reminder to women of the fundamental values enriched in the Constitution, such as democracy, equality, fraternity, justice and secularism, and the need to keep striving to fulfill the demands of Shakti Abhiyan. After this, the women of Shakti Club or Shakti Sangathan sit in a circle around the Constitution as a symbol of Shakti Abhiyan. We believe that every woman in the meeting is equal and deserve an equal opportunity to express herself. That is why our meeting do not have a stage. Everyone sits in a circle. Sitting in a circle symbolizes trust, unity and cooperation, which are the core principles of Shakti Abhiyan. The meeting begins with the national anthem or feminist song, and then the women proceed with their meetings, which may include singing, playing games, engaging in discussion, or planning for the national program for Shakti. The meeting concludes with the song Hum Honge Kamyab, We Shall Overcome, which instills hope and strength to continue the fight. Finally, the women take the Shakti pledge, reaffirming their determination to work continuously for the cause of Shakti Abhiyan. Adi Abadi, Pura.